Hi, my name is Ms.Ei Mei. I'm from Malaysia. I'm an art and living teacher, teaching different courses from children, teenagers to adults. And I have just done this brain profiling with Rakesh. It has been very beneficial. I never really know that I have such leadership qualities and to discover some parts about me that I'm more clear. I feel it is very helpful to me to shorten the time where I should work more or to live a fullest life, and the way that I should also take care, like for example, I seek for perfection, then I will actually, when I work in a team, it will let the team suffer. And that is a very good feedback. That is how I feel it has helped me a lot, other than what are the things that I can still explore, which I'm good at. I think it's very good. I started learning Meru Chikitsa, so now I've found that anything to do with hands or legs is good for me. So that kind of made me to wanted to go deeper into the technique, and I'm actually also exploring energy healing, and I feel that now it's like an affirmation. I'm going into the right place where my strength is also, and Rakesh has explained it very well in a way that I can understood. I ask him questions whenever I don't understand, and his explanation is very clear. And I would recommend this, especially students who do not know which subject to choose or which job to go into, or they kind of feel loss of direction in life or anything. I think it's worth to go through it to kind of understand yourself from what your inborn ability is or strengths are, and it helps to save a lot of time, and that is precious. Thank you.
Thank you.